Today I thought I'd show you how to restore vintage wedding veils and headpieces. I've had this box sitting in my studio for quite some time with odds and ends in it, and Maddie is always excited for an opportunity to dress up. This first piece is probably one of the oldest veils I own. It's from the 1930s and it's in rough shape, but you'll be surprised what a little steam can do. Because this veil is so long at a cathedral length, I had to get a little creative. The cool part about these headpieces, though, is that you'll notice they have this adhesive backing. So even if it's been completely crushed, if you reheat it with the steam, you can take a piece like this, for example, and get it back into shape. I like to steam it in short bursts, and be careful not to burn yourself. And then I like to hold it in place until it cools. See? Good as new. This veil, crazy impressive though. It measures at over 140 inches, and I'm amazed that all of the beadwork is still intact. Often our veils tend to look like this when we take them out of the box, but again, with just a little bit of steam, huge difference. This one is from the 1950s, and I love the tiara princess look. The sequins have like this iridescent pink-blue color in the light. It's really pretty. Okay, the 1980s had a thing for like the Victorian revival, and I'm here for it. When you look at the pearls and the sequins, oh my gosh. Even the veil is unique. I feel like every angle of this hat has something else to show off. Then we have this piece from the 1940s, and it was pretty smushed when I found it, so I'm happy to get it back in its original shape. This one is a clip-in style, and I was kind of surprised at how full it looked afterwards. It actually quickly became one of my favorites. Be sure to stick out to the end, by the way. I'm saving the best one for last. This one was given to me for free when I was picking up some other vintage wedding dresses. It's custom made, and I just thought that it was really unique. So now I have it in my collection. Okay, so this is the last one and the most fun. As you can see, this one was basically crushed on the top. But after working that magic, here we go. I did the same thing where I heated up the veil and I heated up the headpiece, and I just slowly worked it back into shape while allowing it to cool. And this one is at a chapel length. Which one was your favorite, and would you want to wear one of these restored veils for your wedding day? Thanks for watching.